In this video, I will be disassembling this 2010 Chrysler 300 halogen headlight. I will begin by removing the lens. I've disconnected the lens from the light. There is one wire harness connector holding the front LEDs to the main wire harness connector. Next, I'm going to release the wire clip here at the bottom of the projector. Next, I will release the 4 mounting tabs holding the projector in place. I've released the 3 connectors holding on the projector. This 4th one actually just slides right out. With the projector removed, I'm going to disconnect the bulb from the wire harness. The projector is now free from the light. Next, I will go to the rear of the light. There is a small tab on each side of the wire harness connector. Simply use a flathead screwdriver to push that tab in and push in on the connector with your thumb. Once the main wire harness connector is loose, you can simply pull it through and the wire harness is free from the light. The only thing remaining in the light is this moisture absorbing pack. It is held in by a single Phillips head screw. The headlight housing is now empty. Next, I will feed this wire through this outer LED wire connector is now free. Next, I will remove the Phillips head screws holding on the front LED panel. I removed 5 Phillips head screws holding on the LED panel. The rest of the bezel is held to the lens with some Phillips head screws. There are 2 Phillips head screws holding the circuit board panel to the bracket. In order to release this wire harness connector, you must go to the front of the light and there's a little release tab hidden in this little hole. With the tab released, you can simply pull the wire harness forward. There is 1 remaining wire harness clip to be removed. The LEDs are plastic welded to the bracket. They cannot be easily removed. Next, I will remove the 3 Phillips head screws holding on the front bezel. Next, I will release the bi-halogen wire harness connector by squeezing the outer tabs with a pair of needle nose pliers and pushing it through. There are 4 Phillips head screws holding on the projector bowl. There is a single Phillips head screw holding on the bracket holding the lens in place. This lens is actually cracked, so I will not be removing it at this time. Here are the components from the light. I hope you found this video useful. Thank you for watching.